Let's make super easy and delicious frozen ice cream. For this you will need 2 frozen bananas, 2 cups of frozen strawberries, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Gather all ingredients in the blender and blend till it's smooth. The consistency of the smoothie is very thick. Transfer your smoothie into the smoothie bowl and enjoy as is, or you can transfer it into the container and freeze it and enjoy it as a healthy alternative for ice cream. The second recipe is so simple to make and you only need 3 simple ingredients. Freeze 4 ripe bananas and add it into our blender. 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract and blend. While I was blending, my blender overheated and I had to stop. While it was cooling off, I decided to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla bean vegan creamer. You can definitely skip this part, but it adds more creamier and more ice cream-like taste. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla bean creamer. It's vegan, made out of coconut and almond milk. 1 teaspoon of cacao powder and blend it till it's all combined together. It will end up being very smooth and very thick. You will definitely feel the taste of bananas, but the cacao powder will help to cancel and add more chocolatey taste to your ice cream. You may use it as a thick smoothie or place it in the freezer and enjoy it as an ice cream. These 2 recipes is super easy to make and I have one more. The last recipe is for breakfast smoothie. For this recipe, you will need 2 fresh kiwis, 1 fresh banana, 1 frozen pack of acai puree, 3/4 of a cup of oats. blend everything together. Because of the kiwis being fresh, the smoothie will come out in the pudding consistency. Enjoy it in the morning or have it as a snack. It is very easy to make. The kiwi adds a little bit of fuzziness in the throat when you're eating it, so you definitely can skip the kiwis and substitute it with fresh mangoes or fresh pineapple. I hope you will enjoy all of the recipes. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.